I'm sure you've heard the news. Plumbing issues in the Bronx can strike at any time. Leaks, clogs, burst pipes. Sound familiar? Here's what you need to know. If you're searching for a plumber in Bronx NY, time is everything. Leaks, clogged drains, or burst pipes. Those can cause serious damage, fast. That's why you need a 24/7 licensed emergency plumber who knows Bronx buildings inside and out. One call to +1 888 862 0246 puts a local expert on your doorstep fast. Don't wait, slots fill up quickly. For the fastest, most reliable plumbing service in Bronx NY, call now. Limited availability, secure your spot before it's gone. That's +1 888 862 0246. Your emergency solved.